Hey bakers, Henry here. Today we're talking about what happens to your sourdough starter when baking stops being a hobby batch and starts being a market bake. You already know how to keep a starter alive. That's not this lesson. This is what changes when your starter has to show up for 12 or 24 loaves at a time. Stick with me. It's simpler than you think, and it'll save your market week. Here's the first thing to get straight. Your starter didn't get harder to manage. The job got bigger. A personal jar you can feed by habit. A few spoonfuls, 1 or 2 loaves, no big deal. A production levain is different. That's a planned build with real weight and real timing. And market dough? 12 or 24 loaves means no guessing. So here's the rule that runs this whole lesson. Keep the mother small and build only the levain you need. 3 things, 3 jobs. Your mother starter stays small, clean, and protected. That is not the bucket you gamble with. The levain build is your production batch, the exact amount the bake needs, plus a little cushion. And the dough only gets mixed when that levain is ripe, bubbly, lifted, smelling alive. Keep those 3 jobs separate, and one bad week can't take out your whole starter. Now the math, and don't let that word scare you. A market bake needs a number, not a feeling. Loaves times levain per loaf times 1.1. That extra 10% covers what sticks to the bowl, the scale, and the spoon. So if your loaf takes 100 grams of levain, 12 loaves needs 1,320 grams. 24 needs 2,640. Do this math before you feed, not after. This calculator does the thinking for you. Punch in your loaves, your levain per loaf, keep the 10% cushion, and pick your feed ratio. It tells you exactly how much seed to pull from the mother, how much water, and how much flour. Go ahead and run your own numbers right now. This is what turns, I think I need a lot, into a real build. Here are 2 builds I lean on all the time. For 12 loaves, you need 1,320 total. A 1-2-2 build gets you there with 264 of seed, 528 water, 528 flour. Double everything for 24 loaves. Want a slower build? 144 uses less seed and buys you more time. And remember, seed just means ripe starter from your mother jar. These builds assume equal flour and water by weight. Your feed ratio is the steering wheel. More seed, faster peak. Less seed, more time. 111 or 122 when you need it the same day or your kitchen runs cool. 133 when the room is steady and you know your starter. 144 or 155 for overnight builds or a warm kitchen. But hear me on this. Don't chase the clock. The levain tells the truth. Rise, bubbles, dome, smell. Work backward from your mix time. Say the market's Saturday and you're mixing Friday at 7 p.m. Pick the ratio that peaks on that schedule. Cool kitchen or same-day mix, build faster. Warm kitchen or overnight, slow it down. The planner on this slide suggests a ratio and a feed time based on your setup. Just remember, the clock is the plan. The levain is the boss. Let's talk containers, because 2.5 kilos of levain will surprise you. Give it at least 3 times headroom. Clear sides or a tape mark so you can read the rise. Loose lid, never airtight. And label it. Weight, ratio, feed time. Scrape the sides clean, too. Sounds fussy, but it's the difference between reading your levain and guessing at it. Between bakes, a working starter needs a weekly rhythm. Market week, feed the mother 2 clean cycles before the big build. You want predictable strength, not surprises. Off week, keep her small and refrigerate after feeding. And keep a backup. 50 to 100 grams in a separate jar in the fridge, plus a dried backup if this business matters to you. The goal is not a giant starter. It's a small mother that can build big when asked. This is the judgment call that saves batches. Ready to mix looks like this. Doubled or close to it, bubbly through the sides, domed or just starting to flatten, and it smells clean, tangy, alive. Now the other side. Flat with few bubbles, a sharp solvent smell, no lift when you expected it, or separated? Do not mix. At volume, 1 week build can cost you the whole batch. When in doubt, give the mother one more feeding and adjust the schedule. Waiting hurts less than losing 24 loaves. Before market week, run this checklist. How many loaves am I baking? How much Levain per loaf? What's my total with the cushion? What ratio fits my mix time and my kitchen? Is my container big enough for a full rise? And where's my backup if this build goes sideways? Then, copy the template on this slide and post your build plan in the community. We'll check the math with you before market week checks it for you. Your starter is part of production now. Treat it like equipment, not a pet. If this clicked for you, this is exactly what we do inside From Oven to Market, our school community. Starter builds, batch scaling, pricing, packaging, the whole path from your oven to a market table.
Want to go deeper?
Inside From Oven to Market, we help bakers turn good bread into a business that can actually pay them. Start with the 60-second quiz and find out if From Oven to Market is your next best step.